So today we're looking at Thrunite Catapult. This is the version 6, so V6. Quite a big one actually. This is one of the bigger torches I probably reviewed so far. Let's have a look at what's inside and what you get. So here's your instructions. Comes in a sheath. Nice. Little tip on the back. And then there's that. So the lens is quite nice. It's a smooth reflector. I'll put all the specs on the screen. Does feel solid. I have a size large hand. Only one button, which is that one, and a USB-C charging, which is good. It has a few functions. You get turbo, high, medium, low, firefly, and strobe. So pretty much similar to what you get with a normal Thrunite flashlight, but feels well made. Let's just see, tighten it up a bit. All right, so on off, that's firefly. Not sure if you can see. Yeah, you can see that. So that'll be firefly, and then you work your way up from that. So that would be low, medium, high, and then back to low again. And then to do the super high one, it's double click, which, ooh, I can feel that. And then strobe is, there we go, double click, not triple. So yeah, so I like it when it has the settings like this, where you can just go through it and then hold it, and then that's what you want to use, because to me that's more useful. As per everything else, I mean, now we're on probably 270 lumens. So that's low again. So low is 31. That's 270. That's 1417. And then that's the 2836 lumens. So it has a impact resistance of 1.5 meters and a waterproof rating of IPX8, so 2 meters. So, like I said already, it is USB-C. You do get the cables, and you get a lanyard and some more O-rings, which are in there, which is good, and that's everything. So let's go out and test this catapult. So distance-wise, all right, so that's high. And then that mound there is 80 feet. And it's still light out, and you can see the throw on this is quite good on that. And the width of the beam, I can't even get on the whole thing on camera. I'll go down the modes again. So there's your low. There's your medium. There's your turbo. So you can see how much you get out of that. That's high. So there's low, medium. I mean, even on medium, you'd be fine. There's high. And then that's overkill. So you can see everything there. Right, so there you have it. I showed you all the modes and functions. Cool looking torch. Works well. Let me know what you think in the comments section. I'll put a link in the description box below for you to find where you can buy one of these. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.